Hello there, my name is Ayla Burns and I'm here at the YAMK University Applied Sciences. In this video I'm going to give you very brief information how to access OneNote environment. First of all, I assume you have already activated the YAMK email account, so you need your username and password to access our systems. And to go to OneNote, which is part of the Office 365 package, you can use, for example, the address o365.yamk.fi. And from there, you should see OneNote notebooks. And please select the solution Focus Coaching 2018 to access the environment. If you have any problems accessing OneNote, then please contact me. I'll hope to see you soon. Bye.